Once the knowledge base has just finished loading, simply go to the training area of the platform. Click on the button as shown in the video to instruct the chatbot on your knowledge base. Once the learning is complete, go to the preview area to test your bot. Click on the Try Your Bot button and simply wait for the loading to finish. Just ask questions related to your knowledge base to ensure that everything has been properly understood. If not, return to the Teach area and, if necessary, proceed with adding or modifying the knowledge base. Additionally, simply use the area on the left to easily modify the chat room colors, fonts, and avatar image. Or simply and conveniently click on Settings to easily and quickly enter your privacy policy, add a title, and set an error message to your account. During the sending of voice messages, some uncommon terms which might not be recognized by the bot's audio capturing device. For example, Crafter.ai is one such term. Use these settings to decide how to properly handle terms not recognized by the speech-to-text.